Hi there, this is Ranjit from tech2bus.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a USB bootable to install Windows. You can install basically Vista, XP, Windows 7 or Windows 8 by making this your USB stick bootable. And you might ask, why do you need to do so? Because some of the netbooks and some of the latest laptops do not come with DVD-ROM drives. Hence, by making our USB stick bootable, we can install the OS via the same. There is actually a manual method to do this, but I'm going to show you basically an easy way to do this. And we need to go to this site win2flash.com, and we're going to select the language, and here click the download icon. Download it from this site, and it's a 6.8 MB file. Once you have downloaded the Win2Flash program, launch the same, and it will open up in a wizard. You got to accept the EULA, and basically we get this wizard, and it shows that following the basic instruction, you will transfer Windows setup program to a USB drive so you can install Windows on a PC without an optical drive. We click on this, and basically we're going to use the wizard mode to make it easier. Here in the Windows path file, we need to select our installation files. That's our CD-ROM drive on which we have our Windows installation disk. And I have it on this. D is my DVD-ROM drive. I select that. And next we're going to select the USB drive. I have this 8 GB USB drive, that's on E. Make sure that nothing is there on your USB drive because it will be formatted and the data will be erased. And we just click next. We accept the license, and it says it's going to format all the data on the USB drive. That's it. And now it's copying all the data from the Windows 8 installation DVD to the USB drive. And once it's done, we should be able to boot our system and install Windows 8 or 7, whatever it is, from the USB drive. So now it has finished copying all the files from the DVD to the USB, and it's done. Now let's go to my computer and let's see our USB key. As you can see, it has copied all the setup files. Now what I'm going to do is, to make this work, you have to make some BIOS settings on your computer. You have to change the boot priority to boot from the USB thumb drive, and I'm going to show you how to do the same on my Samsung netbook. It differs from computer to computer. On some computers you have to press the F2 key, and on some you have to press the Del key. Please see your computer's documentation on how to get inside the BIOS. Now we're going to boot my Samsung netbook and get into its BIOS to change the boot priority. And we are into the BIOS of this computer. It will differ from computer to computer, but the main thing is that we need to go to something like boot device priority and press enter. And what I have done is that my USB stick is a Kingston Data Traveler, and now I have made that as the first boot device. Now we just need to save this and exit BIOS, and the computer should basically start the installation of Windows 8, what we have installed on our USB drive. As you can see, basically it's now loading the files for installation of the Windows 8 developer preview. Similarly, this can be done for installing XP, Windows 7, Vista, and other variants of Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. That's it for now. This is Ranjit for tech2bus.com, and hopefully I'm going to see you in my next video.